welcome back to the channel. If you're new, we hope you're a new subscription. Our current subscribers, thank you.
That's always the fun part. It's when you go and take the arena down and see how much stuff gets stuck in the ceiling. Well, they're plastic. Oh, there's a lot of give and need. Still gotta get the armor in. All right, so you're gonna go this king. Reach for your fizz. This is locked. Okay, there it is. All first. Doug, are you ready? Doug is ready. Judges, are you guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Allie Schwartz is going up. This king's going up. Schwartz has been pushing here so far. Trying to get the piece apart. Almost a piece of cane in the set. Looks like piece of cane has lost his drum drive and a wheel. Oh, Allie Schwartz almost put himself in the pit. There we go. Allie Schwartz.